Hi students, this morning we looked at the Addams Family for the first time, and it included a tab, and I mentioned then that the numbers are the frets, and these four lines represent the strings of the ukulele, with the top being the first. So it's almost as if you're looking at your upside down ukulele. That the top line is the first string. So let's take a look at what's written there. Now, originally there was a low G on the bottom here, and it was with those of us that have low G's, instead of my dog has fleas, it would have sounded different to have this. So I suggested the third fret of the E string, and like this. And it's a triplet. It's one triplet, one, or it's four triplet, one. And then you switch to 0, 2, 4, 5. And you do that again. And then it ends with a G chord. The 2, 1, 2, 0 is a G chord. Let me make myself larger, the image. Yeah. So third finger on the E string is how it should start. Instead of the open G. Plus, this is a closer proximity to the other notes. So it starts off third fret on the E, and then open A. Then I would do a 2, 3, so like this. But the next one, you're going to require your first finger on the second fret, because your third finger will be on the fourth fret, and your fourth finger will be on the fifth fret. So that lends itself to go from this, then get ready, then it repeats 2 more times, and so once again, I've rewritten it so it's the third fret of the E, and very slowly, open, 2, 3 of the A string. Again, the opening of the piece. Then you're going to be playing open A starting, and I would put my second finger on the second fret, because your ring finger will be on the fourth fret, and your pinky will be on the fifth. Let me do that again. Second. Then it does it 2 more times. Back to them. They're creepy and they're wonky. Yeah, and that was a C. And D minor was a new chord today. D minor looks like this. And have fun. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen.